Right, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. So today, I'm going to show you how to monitor your energy usage in your Model Y using the Tesla Energy app for a smarter energy experience, guys. So first things first, guys, you want to download the Tesla Energy app, okay? So if you haven't already downloaded the app from the App Store or Google Play, this app is literally designed to help you manage and monitor your energy consumption seamlessly, guys. So then, guys, what you want to do is log into your Tesla account, okay? So open the Tesla Energy app and log in with your Tesla account credentials. Make sure you are using the same account that is linked to your Tesla and any installed Powerwall, guys, okay? Then, guys, you will just want to access the dashboard. Once logged in, you'll see the dashboard displaying the key information about your energy usage. Here you can view your home energy production and consumption in real life, in real time. And of course, guys, if you have solar panels or a power wall, you can track how much energy is being generated. Okay. Look for the energy production graph to see, daily, there's weekly or monthly data. Okay. It's all important to check your energy consumption. You can scroll down to view your energy consumption metrics, guys. This section actually shows how much energy your Tesla is using and how it affects your overall energy usage, guys. Okay. You can also set up notifications for even more control. Set up notifications for energy usage or alerts, okay, on significant changes. This will actually help keep you informed and help you optimize your energy management, guys. So next thing, guys, what you want to do is analyze your usage. Okay, use the app to analyze your energy usage trends. You can compare data from different time frames to understand your habits and also make informed decisions, guys, of course, about your energy consumption. And that's it, guys. So go ahead, hit that link in the description to upgrade your ride even further.